Hello, let us solve this Olympiad Mathematics together. It says solve for x root x squared plus 4x plus 4 equals x squared plus 3x minus 6. Now, the first thing is to resolve the problem around the root, the equation that is under this root. Now, we can solve that to become, this is x squared plus, now we need to find the factor, we need to factor this quadratic equation that is under this root. Now we can factor this to be 2x plus 2x plus 4 equals x squared plus 3x minus 6. Now if we factor this further, this becomes x squared plus 2x and 2x plus 4 equals x squared plus 3x minus 6. Now, what is common to these two? We have x that is common, so we have x plus 2, and what is common to these two? We have 2, which is common, that is plus 2, that is x plus 2 equals x squared plus 3x minus 6. From here, we can then factor, since x plus 2 is common to the 2, so let us bring their coefficient out. That is x plus 2 and x plus 2 equals x squared plus 3x minus 6. From here, if we multiply this, we are going to get this back. So from here, since we've discovered that this is a factor of 2 squares, so we can write this to be x plus 2 raised to power 2 equals x squared plus 3x minus 6. Now, this square can cancel this square root, such that our expression now becomes x plus 2 equals x squared plus 3x minus 6. So let us bring the likes together, such that x squared plus 3x, if this x comes to this side, that becomes minus x minus 6 minus 2 equals 0. This becomes x squared plus 2x minus 8 equals 0. So from here, so we have another quadratic equation. So let us solve this quadratic. To solve this, we need to look at factor of this expression as well. We have 8 here, so let us look for the factor of minus 8x squared. So what are the factors that when we multiply them together, we are going to get minus 8x squared. But when we add it together, we are going to get 2x. So if we use minus 4 and minus 2, it will not work. But if we use plus 4 and minus 2, definitely it will. So plus 4x minus 2x. So plus 4x minus 2x will give us plus 2x. Plus 4x multiplied by minus 2 will give us minus 8x squared. So let us substitute. Now I have x squared and the plus 4x minus 2x minus 8 equals 0. So let us factorize, and we have minus 2x minus 8 equals 0. So x, we factor out x from these two, you have x into brackets x plus 4. You can also factor out minus 2, such that we have x plus 4 equals 0. So since we have x plus 4 that is common to the 2, we can bring them together such that x minus 2 and x plus 4 becomes our expression. So from here, x minus 2 equals 0, or x plus 4 equals 0. So x equals 2 or x equals minus 4. So the solution to this expression is x equals 2 or x equals minus 4. So thank you very much for watching. If you have any other question relating to any mathematics question, Olympiad mathematics or whatsoever, please feel free to put it in the comment section. And if you have further clarity that you want me to make, put it in the comment section. I will definitely attend to it. Till I see you next time, please remember to subscribe to this channel. I love you. Thank you very much.